in foreign lands, in particular China.
蓬佩奥在飞机面前
This week, a near daily CCTV.
It came from China.
Many times that the U.S. is doing far better than any other country when it comes to testing.
Yes.
Why does that matter? Why is this a global competition to you if every day Americans are still losing their lives and we're still seeing more cases every day?
Well, they're losing their lives everywhere in the world. And maybe that's a question you should ask China. China that question, okay? When you ask China that question, okay? China that question, okay? When you ask them that question.
You could have had a bad bitch, not committal. Help you with your career, just a little. You supposed to hold me down, but you're holding me back, and that's the sound. I mean, not calling you back.
And maybe that's a question you should ask China.
I just took a DNA test, turns out I'm 100% that bitch. Even when I'm crying crazy, yeah, I got boy problems, that's the human in me. Bling bling, then I solve them, that's the goddess. You could have had a bad bitch, not committal. Help you with your career, just a little. You supposed to hold me down, but you're holding me back, and that's the sound. I mean, not calling you back.
And maybe that's a question you should ask China. You should ask China. China. You should ask China.